Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing a game called Squirrel Stapler. I'm not even gonna say I don't know anything about this game. Let's go. And here we are. Oh my gosh. What is this? We came here to get away from it all, so that our love might blow. Oh god, I'm such a slow reader. I wish you were beautiful. I like the squirrels of the wood. Like the squirrels of the wood. And so I will cover her in the squirrels of the wood. Bro, that's a body tied up. What is this, man? Book of the Grove, chapter 4. Is that? I think that's 4. Verse 1. Saith the goat of the wood, thou shalt not staple squirrels. Let me try that again. Saith the goat of the wood, thou shalt not staple squirrels. Oh, fuck it. Right, okay, thou shalt not staple squirrels. So it's saying we should not staple the squirrels. In 5 days, God is coming. That's good news. Day 1. It's time to hunt the squirrels. Tip of the day. Use the map default tab to orient yourself. Come back tomorrow for another tip. So where am I? Oh, bottom right. So I'm the little yellow thing. I can't move while aiming. So I can do this so they don't hear me. It's squirrel hunting season, boys. Yeehaw! What's that? Is this a squirrel? One. Oh, that was a squirrel. 1 squirrel out of 5. What are these noises? A squirrel! I got him. I got him! Call from a random number. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hi, my name is Sam, calling you from OT Network. How are you today?
I'm good, Sam. How are you?
I'm good, thanks for asking, sir. Actually, the reason of my call is that, sir, OT giving you 30% discount on your monthly O2 bill for next month, sir, okay?
I'm
The
just...
promotion, sir, is the Christmas promotion, sir. Yeah,
I'm just letting you know I'm 12 years old.
I'm sorry.
I'm 12 years old.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
So you're an account holder.
No, sir. I live alone.
Who pays your bill?
I don't pay bills.
And this line number, which is ending with 2001, that is connected with the O2, okay? And O2 charge every month for this line. So who pays the bill?
I don't have any bills. I'm 12.
Okay, no worries. Let me deactivate this number, okay? Within half an hour, you can't use this number, okay?
There's a
With
spider.
deactivate this number, okay? Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
There's a spider. What a scam. Anyway. Right. Where's my squirrel? Oh, I already picked him up. Oh, what's that? Soda? Double speed. Destroyed! Destroyed! My hand is so... I'm terrible. Thank you, thank you. Another one. Done! That was the last 2. Come here, Mr. Timothy the Squirrel. And Mr. Jefferson the Squirrel. These are enough squirrels for today. Right, we're home. Inside. In 5 days, God is coming. I'll remember that. Wife. Press action. There you go. Sleep time. Okay. Wife, I'm going back out hunting. I need to cover your body in squirrels. Day 2. Today I must hunt the big squirrels. The big squirrel. So 5 normal squirrels. 2 of them are here. So 3 normal squirrels and 1 big squirrel is my goal today. Thank you very much. Hiding them there near bushes, are we? Why are you still running? Thanking you, madame, monsieur. Still not found my big squirrel yet. So I never heard before. There, my goddamn squirrel. Is this a large squirrel or that looks like a normal squirrel? I feel like. Alright, where's this large squirrel? Extra large squirrel, actually. Probably the size of a dinosaur, because these have been some pretty big squirrels. Oh, bullets. I need bullets, actually. I think I'm all out. Oh, shit. The bed. Look at the size. Oh, and it still took 1 bullet. Am I that good? These are enough squirrels for today. Everyone chill. Right, back in the house we go. Oh, my lovely darling. I have brought you some squirrels. Here you go. Where's this large squirrel? Nowhere to be found. Okay. Beautiful as always, my lovely wife. Sheesh kebab. Right, just the same as yesterday. He just clumb a tree. Clumb. I'm making a new word, clumb. It's when something or someone claimed something, but you say clumb instead of claimed. Wait. That's... Ah! Get back! Squirrels are chemosensory leg and feet hairs used. What? I can't read for photo. Oh shit, I thought I had to reload. Whoops. I need to find health. That thing just ran up on me and suicide bombed me. Where are thy squirrels that clummed thy trees? And clummed means after you it's like if you're saying like squirrel loves clumbing that tree. Whoa, 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 what's this? Every day you can commit sins at the Shady Shack. My daily sins have been committed. A ghost squirrel. No, please. Oh, I thought I shot him. No, come back. Yeah. Right, where's the big daddy? My 1 bullet in a dream. I need bullets. How about that?
Gosh, something wrong here.
Whoa, I found him. Thank you, finally. Daddy, daddy cool, daddy cool. I have returned, my beautiful wife, with the squirrels once again. My beautiful wife, my squirrel. Excuse me, can you tell me... Oh. Hello, wife? I'm going to go get some rest. There she is. Good morning, darling. What day are we on now? 4? God is coming tomorrow. Only one squirrel here? Come on, man. Is that baloney? Fine. Hey now, you're rock get game on, go play. Hey now, you're rock get show on, get paid. All that glitters go. Only shooting stars break a mo. It's a... It's a cool place, but they say it gets cooler. Yeah. It's the singing. My world's on fire. How about yours? That's the way I like it, and I'll never get bored. Did I help him? Get paid and all that. It's a cool place, but they say it gets cooler. So tomorrow is the day God comes, right? Oh, there you are, my love. Whoa. God is coming today. He is. I just saw a squirrel. 2 here, and I just saw one. Boys, this is gonna be a good day. This is gonna be a good day, folks. God is coming. 3 squirrels down the hatch. Or, no, please. Oh! Empty. I need bullets. Woo! Oh, I got stuck. No! I'm gonna die. I think I'm dead. Whoa! No! How do I restart? How do I restart? Come on, I want to retry. So apparently, and I've never met him, but apparently God is a nice guy. So maybe he'll come down and he'll shoot my hand, or he'll just spawn a squirrel in front of me. He'll come down, shake my hand, and go, "Can I give you anything?" Say, "Of course." Oh, there's a couple of squirrels. Or I could say, "Could you bring my wife back to life?" Try to run from me, boy. Thank you. God is coming. God is coming. Should I wait on him or should I go home? Maybe. What do? I want to see God, but I don't want him to like come down and kill me and then it restart. Right, let me just get high ground. See if I can see him come. Oh, my house is right. Right, what if I just chill next to him, outside my house? That's what I'll do. I'll wait out here for God. And if he comes and he's like really mean, I'll go inside. God is coming. Whoa. Wait, I can't even go inside anymore. What the fuck, I'm scared. God, don't hurt me. I prayed. Please. I don't know what to do. I can't go inside. Please don't hurt me, son. Please. My heart has never beaten so fast before in its life. All that God is coming, God is coming, God is coming, God is coming. Peace.